The last section here in the site customization is called Embed an Existing Website. And you can see that this is a beta feature we are testing out. It's often requested. This is maybe our most often requested feature, as users want to be able to place their call website in an existing website. For example, your gallery or your organization may already have an existing website, and you want the users to be able to register and upload their submissions on your website. And that's what this embedding feature allows for. So if you select this toggle which says enable embedding, you'll copy this code right here in this code snippet and paste this code snippet into an HTML page on your own website. You'll probably need a web designer or somebody to make that change for you. Once you've done that and you say update embed coding, and assuming you've already gone and pasted this code, I'll show you kind of how it looks. So I have a sample page embedded actually on ArtCall.org's main site. So I've just set up a sample page here, and I've embedded that test call directly into this page. So you can see this is the home page. Users can log in. I can go ahead and log in as Jane. You can see I've even got that custom background image I set up in the customization settings. I'll go ahead and log in as Jane. And we'll look at the process there. She can log in. She can add new submissions. And the process works basically identically as if you were on your own subdomain of whatever your subdomain is, .artcall.org. It works as the exact same, except it's embedded inside of a iframe on an existing website. If you log in as the administration user, I'll go ahead and log back in as admin inside of here so you can see what that looks like. The administration user works all the same. You can still change all the settings, and all those things are the same. Now, there's a few things to note here. Everything's not going to work 100% perfect, as a few of the features aren't supported. For instance, typically if you're embedding a website in an existing site, there's no need for menus and pages, as all that information already exists on the parent website where it's being embedded. So if you embed a website, you'll notice that there's no menu and there's no sidebar. All you have is the content area and the register and login buttons. So whenever you're embedding, all of those pages and the site sidebar, those are unnecessary items, as they typically are not used at all. So the other thing to note back here is that if you're having a registration fee or a submission fee, the parent page or your organization's website must have SSL enabled. So you have to have a security certificate, and that has to be present and enabled on the page that embeds ArtCall.org. Otherwise, it will not work. So again, that's only if you have fees or if your call requires that credit card processing. That's a requirement. This is just a note to let you know that the site sidebar and site pages will not be seen on your call as well. And browsers, Internet Explorer and 8+ should work. Again, so very powerful feature if you need to embed your call inside of a different website.